Let's talk about constructions like estar hable y hable. So this is something I've never seen in a grammar textbook, which tells you immediately that it's an informal construction. However, I was able to figure out what it means, and that's another important lesson for you. You can still figure out what something means even if no one teaches it to you by observing the situation, observing the relationships between the people, and looking at the whole context. So that's something that you should always try to do. Now, what does this expression mean? Let's take a look at another example. Estuvo hable y hable. This means two things. First, the person you're describing is talking continuously. Secondly, this construction expresses the annoyance of the speaker. The speaker is annoyed by this other person's continual talking. It expresses impatience. Another example. Estás chille y chille. You're just whining and crying and going on without stopping. Now you might be asking yourself at this point, what is the grammatical structure? This looks like the subjunctive. But let's take a look at one more example. Estuvieron insiste e insiste. So this means this is not the subjunctive. It's a very strange situation. We always have the ending e. It doesn't matter whether it's an AR verb, an ER verb, or an IR verb. So this is not the subjunctive, it's not the indicative. It's a different grammatical form. Again, it's informal, so you won't find it in your textbook. This last one, estuvieron coge y coge. The neighbors were having sex all night, and it was so noisy that it stopped me from being able to get to sleep.